Hi all, today we are going to make a chocolate cake. Let's start by making the chocolate syrup that we'll be using in the sponge of the cake. For this, take 2 tablespoons of hot milk and mix it with 2 tablespoons of grated chocolate, 1 cup of maida, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Steep these well. This will be our cake flour. Take 3 eggs and beat it. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence with the chocolate syrup that we had prepared earlier. Add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar and 3/4 cup of sunflower oil. Add the cake flour little by little. Mix it using the cut and fold method. Batter into 2 and add half teaspoon of vinegar into each batch. Now let's bake the batter. We have to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now we can prepare the cream. For this, take 2 cups of whipping cream and whip it. Take 3 tablespoons of whipping cream and mix it with 3 tablespoons of chocolate. Mix this with the cream. Now let's prepare the chocolate syrup. For this, take water, sugar, whipping cream, coffee powder, white chocolate and dark chocolate. Mix it and boil. Now let's trim the cake and layer it. Soak it in the sugar syrup. Let's assemble the cake. Let's take each layer, add the cream along with grated chocolate and chocolate chips. Now let's crumb coat it. Now we can design the cake using oil brush. Freeze it. Now we can prepare the ganache that we'll be using in the cake. For this, take 1 cup each of whipping cream and chocolate and melt it. Now pour it while it's lukewarm over the cold cake. I'm making a semi-dripped cake. Now let's design it. You can make the same pattern using the oil brush. I'm adding chocolate decorations which are made by melting the white chocolate. Our cake is ready. This is the final look of our cake. Cut it and enjoy it. Thanks for watching.